Recent years, celery juice has gained popularity as a health trend, with advocates claiming a myriad of benefits from improved digestion to clearer skin. But what happens if you commit to drinking celery juice for 7 consecutive days? Let's explore the potential effects on your body. Day 1. Hydration boost. Starting your day with celery juice provides a hydration boost, thanks to its high water content. You may notice a slight increase in energy as your body receives a refreshing dose of hydration after a night's sleep. Day 2. Detoxification begins. Celery contains compounds like flavonoids and antioxidants that support detoxification processes in the body. By day 2, you might experience increased urination as your body begins to flush out toxins. Day 3. Reduced bloating. Many people report a reduction in bloating after incorporating celery juice into their routine. The natural diuretic properties of celery can help alleviate water retention, leading to a flatter stomach and improved digestive comfort. Day 4. Improved digestion. With its abundance of fiber, celery juice can promote healthy digestion by supporting regular bowel movements. By day 4, you may notice smoother digestion and reduced discomfort, especially if you commonly experience issues like constipation. Day 5. Increased energy levels. As your body adjusts to the nutrient-rich influx of celery juice, you may experience a boost in energy levels. The vitamins and minerals in celery, such as vitamin K, folate, and potassium, contribute to overall vitality and well-being. Day 6. Clearer skin. The detoxifying and hydrating effects of celery juice can manifest in clearer, more radiant skin. By day 6, you may notice a reduction in acne breakouts, inflammation, and redness, giving your complexion a healthy glow. Day 7. Enhanced well-being. By the end of the 7-day challenge, you may experience an overall sense of well-being. Improved hydration, digestion, energy levels, and skin health can contribute to feeling more vibrant and balanced. While drinking celery juice for 7 days can offer potential benefits, it's essential to approach any dietary change with caution and moderation.